Hey y'all, what's poppin'? So today we're doing a lip makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Clean and Clear moisturizer, because you know we got to keep this pretty face moisturized. No cracks, no cracks. But yeah, so I'm just going to moisturize my face. And y'all can see my dog right there pop up, check on me, you know, what's poppin'. Then I'm going to take this very light concealer and I'm going to use this as a base. I'm going to blend that in with my ring finger, because this lady at Walgreens told me that your ring finger has the softest skin on your finger. With my Airspun, I set that concealer, and now you see where I'm lining my crease. We're going to put this color above my crease. I'm using my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I took the fuchsia pink that I just showed you, and we're putting it above the crease, not on it, not in it, above it. I completely skipped out on a transition shade just to emphasize this. So I'm taking that smudge brush and I'm just going to blend in that fuchsia pink. And now I'm going to take concealer, the same concealer that I used as a base, and we're just going to, you know, scoop that bit right into the crease that we left completely blank. And I'm trying to emphasize that looking up with a lot of concealer on your eye, it's going to transfer and create the perfect crease shape. So now I'm going to take this bright yellow. My lighting is so popping that the yellow looks like a highlighter in the palette. It's crazy. But oh, that's my dog. Anyways, I'm gonna take that yellow and we're just gonna pat that on the first beginning of our eyelid, and now I'm gonna take that purple that I just showed you guys and we're gonna put that on the end of our eyelid. You know, just, you know, blend that in, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? Blend your life away. Now take that hot pink once again, put that above the crease, because we lost the color in blending it out. So now, you know, we put in the color bag. Alright, so now I'm going to take my white NYX liner and I'm going to, alright, this is not as hard as it looks. Just make a line at the crease. Literally where the two colors change, when you go from yellow to pink or purple to pink, you are going to just draw a line. So now this second eye, I messed up. I don't know what it was. I think it was because here we go. I just messed up on telling you guys anyways. Don't go exactly in the crease because it's gonna lose its color. Put it a little above, so when your eyes are, you know, just looking straight and your crease is hidden, you can still see the white line, right? So now I'm gonna take that black liner. This black eyeliner I actually got from Forever 21, and I'm just gonna use that to create a very dramatic cat eye. So as you saw in the thumbnail, this cat eye actually has a helix. With the helix, you're going to need your cat eye to be extremely dramatic, sis. You need your cat eye big, long, all of that. Why? Because we need room to do all that extra squiggles and all that good stuff. So here we go. I'm going to start at the corner of my eye. I'm going to go upwards, then I'm going to bring it down, but you know, in a circular motion. Down, swoop it, pull it back up, and then all right, I'm getting scared. Then look, flare it out. You know, fix the lines. If it has to be thicker, it has to be thicker. Let's look at this. Here we go. Boom. We're gonna flare this out. I'm really bad at explaining stuff. You saw how I had a little flick in the wrist? It said swoop, swoop, swoop. Do that. So down. Look how easy I'm gonna go. Down, bring it up, back down, and flick it out. Simple as that. It's not that hard. So now you're going to color I can't really see because the recording box is covering, but you're going to color every other line. This is going to make it look like the lines, the squiggles that you made is going through the liner. You know, it seemed pretty hard. Replay the video until you get it. It's honestly not as hard as it looks. But yeah, I hope you guys got it. Anyways, I'm going to, you know, do my waterline with black liner, as you guys can see. So for my inner tear dot, I use these like very golden sheer highlighters. Honestly, if you have a colored highlighter like blues or purples, that would be so much better to put inside of your tear dot, because I wasn't really feeling the look with the, you know, the gold and stuff. But yeah, I'm going in with my Fenty foundation. I broke it, so if somebody wants to buy me another one, I'm accepting, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with that foundation and we're gonna blend it out. You know, surprisingly, with this video, I actually completely forgot to put concealer on. Like, I don't know what happened. You're gonna see me do that and then just bake my eyes. It's really weird. So in the Best Years Ever palette, I'm going to take hashtag blush, Chocolate Soleil, and Will You Marry Me, the blush, highlighter, and contour, and we're going to use all three of them. First, I'm going to contour my face because I have a big head, and you know, it can't be a big head with a flat face, you know what I'm saying? Gotta have definition and all that good stuff. So yeah, and you know, it's really sad. For all three of these things, I'm using the same brush. But anyways, I got these like little triangle like beauty blenders from Forever 21. They're having a sale, you know, how to cop that. I'm using my Laura Mercier's baking powder, and I'm just going to use that to set under my eyes. Like I said, no concealer. Don't know what I was setting. I was setting Hopes and Dreams, Dreams and Nightmares, featuring Stacy. You know, I don't know what was going on here, but yeah. Then I'm going to take the hashtag blessed, and with the same brush, girl, you know you got to be frugal sometimes, and I'm just going to turn that bit to the side and put that on my highlighter. Now my highlight which should pop in, like, it's great. Look at this. Wow. Can we just get a moment of silence with this beat in the background? Yeah. But now I'm just going to take the Colorpop, and this color is in Guess. This is in Guess. It's a really nice color. I bought this like probably over 2 years ago. It's really nice. Colorpop lipsticks, I'm not a big fan. It does that thing where like on your inner lip, it doesn't like take color. Like, so it was kind of like pink inside, and then it was just like, you know, yeah. Okay guys, but that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it. I love you guys so freaking much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please put my post notifications on. It would mean the world to me. You know, I just want everybody to watch my videos when my videos come up. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.